Head over to Canva, click on create a design, then select save place. So I like to load. Once it loads up, click on elements. I already have my picture on my recently used, so I'll just click on it. Then I'll resize it. You can as well import yours, but since I already have it, I'll just click on it, resize it, then add another page. Then on this new page, go back to elements and I'll search for the image I'm looking for. I need something like a beach, so I'll just type in beach. So I'll just see through and click on the one I like. So I like this one from I recently used, so I'll just click on it, resize it. Then I'll go back to element and search for gradients. I'll just select the one that looks whitish and transparent. Select this one, then I'll resize it down. I'll just resize it, yeah, like this. Then I'll take it to the edge. Then I'll duplicate it. After duplicating, I'll copy, then I'll place it here on the second page, second image I have. So I'll just turn it. Actually removed the first gradient. I got something better and that's why I'm using it, and then post in it here. After we paste it here. So this is what we have now. So I'll go over to save the images. Save image. You can actually save both, but I don't want it to be on a zip file, so I'm just saving it individually. That's why. Now we have our both image saved. So go over again. You can use the technique and then drag in our two images down here. Using this first image, dragging it down to make it fit the screen. Now posting the second image on top of the first image. Now go to transparency, reduce the transparency. Something like this. That's it. So I'll go to edit photo and adjust. I'll make some adjustments. Adjust the brightness a bit and then the contrast also. This is very important. And I'll also go over to adjust the saturation. This is a very important adjustment, and I'll go over to adjust the white. It is too whitish, and lay over some other adjustments, but these ones I did are the basic adjustments which are important to make your image pop out. So once you are done, you go over to share and download your blended image. So this is it, guys. I hope it got value. Please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.